Hello everyone. Hello Miss. I am Lian Rayla Torres Perez. I'm here to represent. I am here to report about jail security rules. Here, wait, it's so loud. Here's the table of contents. Here's the learning objectives. First, we have cognitive objectives. Understand the principle of jail security. Identify different types of security measure in place. Analyze the effectiveness of various security protocols. Then affective objectives. Appreciate the importance of maintaining safety in the correctional environment. Develop a sense of responsibility toward the implementation of security measure. Foster respect for rules and regulation governing governing jail security. Then proceed to the psychomotor objectives. Demonstrate proper protocols for responding to security breaches. Practice procedures for conducting searches and inspections. Apply techniques for conflict resolution in jail settings. Here's the overview. Jail security rules are essential regulation designed to maintain order, safety, and security with correctional facilities. So, ang pasabot bayanin niya guys is kani is mao ni na wala lang sila nag-focus sa jail, pero mao ni sila ang establish to maintain order and safety and security sulod sa correctional facilities. Wala lang ni nag-focus only sa inmates, it also sa staff facilities. Kani ding security rules is maka-help sad ni siya para ma-maintain ang mga inmates, para ma-manage nila. It also to promote rehabilitation. And reducing recidivism. So ang pasabot ning recidivism is the act of a person repeating an undesirable behavior after they have experienced negative consequence after that behavior. So proceed to the next. Discussion. So sa tabulan kayo ni discussion, ako lang explain lang ako akong nakapananani. The importance of jail security rules cannot be overstated. They form foundation upon which a safe and functional correctional institution in bullet. So ang kwanda niya is ang jail security rules is important man ni kay nga naman naghatag man ni sila safety para sa mga inmates ug ang staff para para ma-maintain para makuha nilang mga staff o ang inmates para sa mga kung may visitor, jail officer o inmates. Security procedures. Search and seizure. Procedure for searching inmates and their belongings. So example lani, nagrandom sila inspection sa ilang sa sulod sa kwan sa inmates. Then tapos ang jail kay nakakita mag homemade weapon sa isa ka inmates. Then ang katong nakita nila nga weapon is nakuhaan ka ng na-confiscate para sa safety. Then use of force guidelines on when and how to use force during incident. So example na nag-riot, then na may isa ka inmates nga nisukol gid sa security, then adto na ni gamit og force ang security para mahunong to ang naggubot dito. Then emergency protocol step to take in cases of riot, escape, or medical emergency. Example na ay isa ka inmates na ka-experience of kaning severe attack asthma. Then, ang mga jail security kuha na sila, nanawag na kay na may isa ka inmates nga nang giattack og asthma, dito na nila mayus ang emergency, ang medical emergency. Then, proceed. Ano kalag? Wait. Wait. So, implementation of security rules, training program, importance of regular training for training programs. Importance of regular training for staff and security protocols. Example lang eh. Wait, sorry. Example lang yan, isa ka nag-introduce sila bago nga panday ka ng inmates para makuha nilang schedule. So sabotable naman kaning importance or nakakuan ko is importance of regular training for staff and security protocols, technology integration, how advancement in technology enhance security measure. So ang kwandihan niya example, ang jail security rules nag-install sila kanang Face ID para kuan ganin nila para malikayan ng kanang mga unauthorized person para dili din makasulod sa jail. So policy review, ongoing evaluation, updating and security policies. Wait, please. Sakto ba? Para makuha niya, example ni ganing para malikayan nila ang kanang kuan singa na ni tay kasi para malikayan nila ang kanang gubot gani sa sulod sa jail para ma-maintain nila ang safety ra gani. Challenge enforcing security rules, inmate behavior strategies for managing presence or violence. Kanila, kay example nila namin strategy unsa nila para malikayan nila kanang makasala sila sulod sa kanang jail. Resource limitation, addressing the impacts of budget constraints on security measure. So example niya kana ganing kwan sa sulod sa prison kay dapat ang ilang pagkaon dapat naka-maintain na gud kay para ma-budget sa nila ilang pagkaon sulod. Then legal concern, balancing security with inmates' rights and legal obligation. Naman ni balancing para makuha nila ang mga inmates ba para malikayan ang kanang kontraband. Best practices, collaboration, working with law enforcement and community. Ang kaning mga jail securities makikulab sila sa mga law enforcement and community organization. Regular audits, importance of conducting security assessment and drills. So example na ni magkuan sila ng mag-drill sulod sa jail, mag-exercise, basa sila Bible para ma-maintain nila ilang kuan nilang kalawasan sulod sa jail. Then feedback mechanism, encouraging input from staff and inmates to improve protocols. Ang kuan diyan niya is ang mga jail staff kay nagkuan sila mga improve protocols para gyud maigpitan, para malikayan ang gubot, mao na siya. Here's the conclusion. Effective jail security rules are vital for maintaining safety and order with correctional facilities. So, ang kondena niya is ang kaning safety and order para malikayan ang mga riot, mga contraband, in others obligation avoiding sa mga jail, correctional. References. Here's my references, miss. Thank you.